how to use Honeygain app. So this app over here, it does sound pretty similar to the other one, which was Honey, but we pretty much know what happened to that. But anyways, if you wanna start using Honeygain, you can go ahead to the official website. So go ahead to your preferred browser, search for Honeygain, and enter their website. In the top right, you will see the sign up option as along with the download app option in the bottom as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and choose the download app option since it will just bring us here to the create account option as well. So we're gonna go ahead and put in our email address and put in our password. So now that we have our account, we can just download the Honeygain app. So in our case, we're going to download it for Windows. There are going to be other options as well, depending on what you're using. So we're going to open up the newly downloaded Honeygain setup file. We're just going to go ahead and accept all of these until we pretty much finish installing the app. So once the Honeygain app is now installed, you will see this Honeygain is active in the background, and we can just get rid of that. We can take a look at the terms of use, and agree to all of that so that we can actually continue with using the Honeygain app. So just let Honeygain run in the background, and once you are signed in, you can just do so and share part of your unused internet connection. Your earnings depend on factors like demand and how much traffic is shared through your connection. And you can go ahead to the dashboard as well. So we're going to go ahead to the dashboard over here after logging in. So we're going to go ahead and log in first. So once logged in, we can go ahead and open up our dashboard to see much more information. This 2K over here is basically probably just a sign up bonus, I guess. And the standard Honeygain balance uses credits that can later be converted into a payout once you reach the required threshold. So in our case, the payout is most likely around 20k, not 20k. Yeah, 20k. So after you get 20k points, in our case, we will be able to cash this out, and we can choose our payment method, and we will be able to get the earnings. There's rewards over here, which are just little tokens or titles you can get, but some do give you credits and some extra stuff. So you can also request your payout when you reach the required amount. You can open the payout section and follow the instructions for your chosen method. So carefully check any wallet or payment details before confirming the withdrawal. But it's pretty much just something you leave idle in your background while it takes some unused internet connection. Basically, that's the general idea. You don't really have to do much. You can log in to get some free bonuses and whatnot to check in and stuff. But other than that, you just wait for the income. Not sure it gives you that much since it is an idle thing. You have referrals as well. You can share your referral link for extra money and earnings, but that's pretty much it. You can take a look at your statistics, just enter your dashboards to see what kind of earnings you're getting. But hopefully this video does help, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.